Hello and welcome. Value chain analysis. The concepts or the idea of value chain was developed by Michael E. Porter, a Harvard Business School professor. Value and value chain. Here, Michael E. Porter differentiates between value and value chain. Value is defined as the total amount that someone is willing to pay for an organization product. Value is the total amount, the price a customer is willing to pay for the product she wants to obtain. While value chain focus on all the activities a company performs from beginning to end that go into producing the final product, value chain encompasses all the activities a company engages from receiving the raw materials that go into producing the final products as the delivery of the final product to customers. Value chain analysis is a strategy tool used to analyze the internal activities of a firm. Value chain is a strategic management tool used to analyze the internal cost, the cost associated with each production processes. It is designed to improve profits by creating a product or services that customer is willing to pay more than the cost to develop it. Value chain is designed to improve profits for the products of an organization by creating a product or offering a service that the customer is willing to pay more than the cost to develop the product. In the value chain, each primary activities is linked with one or more support activities to ensure the efficiency and the delivery of the finished product. In the process of value chain, each support activities is linked with one or more primary activities in order to ensure the efficiency and effectiveness of the value chain. Goal of value chain. There are two basic goals of value chain. The first is to identify which activity add value. Second, to recognize which activities are the most valuable, that is, are the source of cost or differentiation advantage to the firms, and which one could be improved to provide competitive advantage. The second goal is to recognize and find out which activity are the most valuable source. Your resource and capabilities, where do they help you? Cost advantage or differentiation advantage, and improve the one that will help you get competitive advantage. Primary activities. There is inbound logistic, operation, outbound logistic, marketing and sales, and services. Primary activities are directly concerned with the source of cost advantages. This involves access to low-cost raw materials, process distribution channel, exploring economic of scales. In gaining competitive advantage by cost leadership, primary activities require a good and adequate understanding of the company operation. Inbound logistics. These activities are concerned with receiving, storing raw material from suppliers to manufacturing or assembling units. This involves receiving raw materials from the suppliers to the company. The processes. Operations. These activities are concerned with transformation of inputs, raw materials into outputs, finished goods. This involves conversion of inputs into outputs. Outbound logistics. These activities are concerned with delivery and distribution of finished products to customer, the distribution of your product after it has been produced to your customers. Marketing and sales. These are the process you use to persuade clients to purchase from you, the benefit you offer, and how well you communicate them. These are the process you use to market and sell your products, the benefit you offer to customers, the value you offer, and how well you communicate them to convince clients to purchase from you rather than from your competitors. Services. These are the activities related to maintaining the value of your products or services once the customer purchases it. This activity is concerned with maintaining the value of your product once it has been purchased, ensuring that even after the customer purchases your product, it has value in his hand, like after sale services, installations, repairs, etc. Support activities. These are procurement, human resource management, technology, infrastructure. Support activities are directly concerned with the source of differentiation advantage. Because nowadays differentiation usually comes from firmness of infrastructure, technical excellence, and a passionate personnel. Differentiation advantage, it requires goods technical excellence. Every day we have seen a witness in the change in technology, advancements, adoption of new processes, adoption of new methods, introduction of new technology. So maintaining technical excellence and a good infrastructure with passionate personnel working in your organizations will help you get differentiation advantage. Procurement. The activity of acquiring or purchasing the resource a company needs to operate. This involves acquisitions and purchasing of basic resources a company needs to operate. Human resource management. This is how well a company recruits, hire, train, motivates, rewards, and retain its workers. People are the real source of value creation. So organization can create value by best human resource practices. Ensure that the organization's structure and the people working in your organization is aligned with your mission. Always ensure that you have passionate personnel. Technology. These activities relate to maintaining and processing informations, staying current with technological advance, and maintaining technical excellence are a source of value creations. Today we are bear witness of several changes in technology, massive adoption of several technologies. So maintaining technical excellence and staying current with technology will help you get competitive advantage. Infrastructure. These are the company support systems and the functions that allow it to maintain daily operations. Infrastructure. These are the basics parts of an organization where it provides the company to maintain technical excellence in the organizations, accounting, legal, administrations, and general management are the real source of value creations. Ensure that as much as possible the practices is efficient and effective in your organization.